Assalamualaikum. Yes, this is it. The day has come. First of all, can I take this opportunity to wish you a good luck for the rest of your life. And of course, a happy retirement time. The only I can say, Ma, is it's time na to leave all your worries in life, and it's time na then to enjoy in every single minute of your life. I am thankful, Ma, for having you as a wonderful mom. Napakapalad ko dahil sa pag-aalagang walang kapantay mula ng aking pagkabata hanggang sa aking paglaki ay nandyan ka lagi na umaalalay sa akin. Pagmamahal na walang kapantay at walang hinihintay mang kapalit. At ang mga pangunawang hindi mo masusukat kailanman. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ma. You are still my number one. In behalf sa aking mga kapatid, Rona, Sheila, and Bong, and kayo ni Daddy, ang dahilan kung bakit namin narating kung ano ang kinatatayuan namin ngayon. Lastly, I want to say I'm very, very proud of you, Ma. And we love you so much. Wish you all the best and good luck. I love you, Ma.